Good morning, Asheville, and happy Friday. It's a pretty cool morning as part of our cold weekend ahead, with a possible chance of snow this evening into early tomorrow morning, which isn't unheard of, but is highly unusual, especially for it being April, even in our area, as part of our wonderful bipolar weather weekend that we are in for this weekend. Now, right now in Asheville, it's sitting around 39, 40 degrees with mostly sunny skies. There are a few patches of clouds here and there, but nothing to worry about. And that wind, thankfully, has died down from earlier this week, keeping temperatures where they are and not making it feel like the 20s. This snow that I'm talking about is going to come from this general system right here that is currently sitting on top of the Great Lakes region, mostly talking about this little section at the very southern edge of it by Kentucky and Tennessee. That's going to generally move eastward into our direction and clip us this weekend. Now, these clouds represent that rain that is currently happening on top of Tennessee and Kentucky. This afternoon, 2 p.m., that rain stays over those two states, but by this evening it moves into our area. And already some of it could turn into snow before nightfall, especially in the upper elevations. It may stay as rain down here in Asheville, but in areas like Mount Mitchell and Mars Hill could get some snow very quickly. Now, tomorrow is going to get a lot more consistent. It's going to be less spotty, and it's going to be more general snow in the mountains. So on the roads tomorrow, be especially careful. There could be lower visibility in some areas. There could also be icy patches on those roads as temperatures do drop below freezing both tonight and tomorrow night. Now, the precipitation isn't the only bipolar thing this weekend. The temperatures are extreme. We go from 52 on Friday, 48 on Saturday, jumping up to 65 on Sunday, and almost getting to 80 on Monday. It's a shift of almost 30 degrees within a 48-hour time frame. That is pretty significant. Now, the lows aren't as drastic, but they are still something to note. We've got 30s on Friday and Saturday, 40 on Sunday, and 50 on Monday. So we go from the middle of winter, like February weather, to April weather, spring weather, in the span of 2 days. Now, for a visual on that, we stay in the dark greens and light blues for the majority of the weekend before those move to the northeast, being replaced with these oranges and reds, which are those warmer temperatures, upper 60s and upper 70s, as we head into early next week. Now, for the rest of the week, it does stay around the upper 70s. We've got 77 Monday, 78 Tuesday, and 77 Wednesday. The lows also kind of balance out in the low to mid 50s for that week as we look ahead to another possible rain system that could come next Thursday.